Hi, I'm Kavita Ralhan. In this video, I'm going to talk about Glen Glass Kettle, model number SA9012. So let's get started. Now this is a glass kettle from the brand Glen. You can see it is a very stylish kettle, transparent, and of course it's made of glass. You have to be little careful. It comes with this Bakelite handle which has a nice grip, and in order to use this, the functionality is very simple. Now it comes with this charging base. This is the main power base actually, and you have this 360-degree rotational base. That means whichever direction you put the kettle in, it will get automatically on when you switch it on. So this is the power plug. You have to put this in the socket. You have to just press the on button and it will automatically get on. Now when it gets switched on, there is a soft blue illumination that happens which lets you know that the kettle is in use. You can boil water in this and the capacity is 1.8 liter, which is pretty good. In fact, you can see the measurement over here. Accordingly, you can put water in this. Now it also comes with auto shut off and boil dry protection. So auto shut off means when the water has boiled, it will automatically turn off. There is a 2-year warranty on this kettle, and when the water has boiled, you can simply just lift this and pour the boiling water into the cup. Now while pouring, you have to keep this in mind that this lid will not open on its own because there is lock here. So once I press this and this gets locked, so this will not open automatically. So when you're pouring water, the water will only come out of this spout and not from the lid. There is a small stainless steel mesh on the lid, so if any impurities are there or anything in the water is there, it will get filtered out very nicely. So it's a very simple to use, very stylish. You can keep this in your office, on your dining table, on your kitchen slab, and you can actually flaunt it in front of your guest. So this is Glen Glass Kettle SA9012. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Stay tuned in for more videos.